ready yet. Wait.
Hey guys, what up? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. What I like to do first is just prime my face with the Mario Badesque facial spray and rose water. So it doesn't have to be this one, but it's whatever you guys choose, okay? Just wakes your face up a little bit, you know, let that sit in. My face was just recently washed, so now I'm just using a regular eyebrow spoolie and comb, and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows in shape. If you guys recently got your eyebrows done, then it's gonna be like easy like this, but if it's not, then you know, shape your eyebrows. I'm in with the Kiss New York top brow and a Morphe angle brow brush.
Like some waves, like some waves, like some waves. What is she gon' say? Wave caps, wave caps. Let's go way back. Wave caps. Wave caps, let's go way back. I want to reminisce that time. I want to feel it all again. Those hairs are staying down. Wonder why we stay around.
So those eyebrows didn't take no longer than like 3 minutes. But see, it's easier for me now when my eyebrows are freshly done. And again, this is in the color chocolate. I got this from the Beauty Supply store. This was only $4.99. Again, this is the Kiss Top Brow Eyebrow Cream. Okay, and this is amazing. I like this better than the Anastasia because Anastasia, I don't know, with the formula, I just like this better. The color Fawn from LA Pro Girl. Just put it on the back of my hand. And use it to define my brows. Taking this old ass Juvia's Place brush. Here with some of the rose water. Beautiful brows. My most updated routine, and I'm so proud of these brows today, guys. Today is a very good brow day.
guys do it.